Hi, I'm Si from Dream Car Giveaways, and today we're doing a breakdown on one of our cars. So this Supra, we've actually built it ourselves. Not many people know that, but some of the cars on our page we've actually put together ourselves. We're car enthusiasts and build cars for the people. So yeah, this is our Mark IV Toyota 1995 Supra. So the majority of the work we've done to this car is actually on the outside. When we picked it up, it was a real Fast and the Furious story. It was a great base, but it looked horrendous. It had previously been wrapped, that had then been removed, which had taken a lot of the original paint away with it. So to overcome that, we've gone with BMW Carbon Black, full respray, included into the door shuts, JDM front bumper, different side skirts, and different rear spats. But the party piece on this car is the works Meister S1 three-piece wheels, which I'm sure you'll agree, look, spot on. So to get the car to sit the way it does and get these Gucci wheels to fit perfectly, we've gone with BC coilovers and different camber arms. On top of that, our secret sauce alignment, which makes the car drive absolutely perfectly. So this Supra has got its original 2JZ 3-litre twin-turbo engine. It's had a full health check and a full rebuild on the engine, so it benefits from a full OEM gasket set, HKS timing belt, and the turbos themselves have actually been uprated for more power, so different internals. So to get even more power from those uprated turbos, a great way of doing that is to optimise the cooling. We've done that with a Meister radiator and a Whifbitz front-mounted intercooler. So although the turbos look standard on this, and they are the standard turbos, they have different internals, so they produce boost a lot sooner and it makes the car a lot more drivable. This is a 1995 car after all, and with more modern tech, it just makes a whole better package. So these 2JZ engines are famous for a reason. Just with a few bolt-on mods you can get big power from them, and they're bulletproof. This particular one with the bolt-on mods, it started off about 320 horsepower from factory. Now with everything on it, it's 420. And all of that put together, it's a real potent, peppy mix. So at the rear of the car, it's pretty much stock. It's hard to make something perfect any better. But we've added a Whifbitz 4-inch stainless steel exhaust system, which really lets you hear the 2JZ engine. Moving to the inside of the car, we've kept it quite subtle. We've gone with carbon kick plates to match the engine bay dress up, Evo 8 seats mated to bride lowered seat rails, a Nardi steering wheel, AEM gauges, and an uber rare TRD 320 km/h speedometer.